Planning to start a business in 2025 with just 1 lakh rupees? Here are the top 5 innovative business ideas that balance low investment with high growth potential. With people seeking unique, personalized gifts for every occasion, a small investment in design tools and inventory can help launch a creative business. Number 5. Offer custom mugs, t-shirts, or engraved keepsakes and market through social media platforms. Number 4 is urban gardening kits. As city dwellers crave greenery, selling easy-to-use kits for balcony or terrace gardens is a growing trend. Source seeds, pots, and organic soil, then bundle them attractively. Add instructional guides to help beginners succeed. At number 3, a mobile food cart. Street food remains ever popular, and a well-branded cart serving unique snacks or beverages can thrive. Use your budget for permits, a basic cart, and quality ingredients, focusing on taste and hygiene. Number 2 is digital marketing services. Small businesses need help with social media, content creation, and online ads. Invest in a laptop, basic software, and online courses to start offering these services remotely. Finally, number 1, smart home installation. As technology adoption grows, help households install and set up smart devices like lights, cameras, and speakers. Training and basic tools are all you need to begin.